that process.
Oh shit, that home fucked it too far. I need to plug that motherfucker there up, boy. Shit.
Please don't. I've been missing this mug. Every time you take it over there to Steve, I be like, God.
Hey, I was over there, day before yesterday.
So you in GA now?
Yeah.
I need to get with you then.
Okay, I bought it from Boo.
Oh, okay. Cause that's what I always thought this was Shot Town car.
Yeah,
but since it's over there, I'm like, how the fuck? You know what I'm saying? So
what it got in?
running ass small block.
I was just telling him, I said, it's one on side the road up there. I live clean as hell. Yeah, somebody trying to see it, man. I said, first thing I did was look at this motherfucker. Yeah. Went back like that, like, damn, yeah.
See that potential.
Exactly.
Try it again. Just step on it a little bit. Just open up the drop. Just step on it and hold it a little bit. And then turn it. Just a little bit.
Fresh up out the shower, she look good enough to eat. That little pussy got some tricks in my dick. When it squeeze